Hey everybody, it's me, Addie. Probably to you guys, I'm Briar Girl Lover Forever. No, Briar Girl Forever. And then, or slash LPS Lover Forever. I have a task for you guys. If you guys, complete this task, I don't know what I'll do, but I'll try to make as many videos. You guys can pick what I should make, the winner. First place winner gets to pick like 3 videos what I should do, or like second place can pick like at least 1 video, and then third place can tag me if you want to. So that'll be it. And well, I'm going to have, what the task is you have to try to guess my 5, like what kind of animals my 5 weapons are. I have Snowball, Baby Girl, Tigger, Milkshake, and Russ. I'll do the results probably around later tonight, if I can. But if I can't, then I'll probably do it tomorrow morning. So yeah, that's pretty much it. See you guys later. Bye.